All right, guys, out of my collection of fragrances, these are the 10 longest lasting fresh fragrances. Now, because I am heading out to eat, I'll just do a quick upload, no editing, honest opinions. Number one, Orto Parisi's Megamare. This is by far the longest lasting fresh fragrance out there. That is simply a fact, but also, in my experience, the case. Now, it is not your typical fresh being citrus, uplifting fresh. It's more of a refreshing fresh. It uses salty notes to give it a very cool fresh as well, but that's more noticeable in hotter weather. Now, if you're looking for a citrus uplifting fresh, I'm sorry to tell you, you're not going to find it. It's just science. The molecules are too light and they don't last that long. But because of that, they also give a very fresh, uplifting scent, and I can understand the appeal. For these fragrances, though, this one lasts at least 10 hours plus, easy. And use of fixatives like ambrox and stuff like that, that's why it lasts so long, as well as the fact that it's more of a sweet, fruity fresh. That seaweed combines with cedar to give it a very savory, and then plus the salt, a very savory and salty scent trail that's very unique and refreshing. Now, if you are going to try this, I would say my number 2 would have been Lattafa's Atlas, which is an inspiration of Megamare. It's just, I'm not going to include the inspirations here because they might dominate the list, if we're completely honest. And it just makes sense. They have a lot of additives and fixatives. This one can't outdo the original because that one has a lot of fixatives already. But it does last very long. It's very close. This is 9 hours as well. And it's very close. I would say the seaweed note, I don't think it has cedar in it. It doesn't come off as fruity fresh, which I actually enjoy. So I'll put that on a different list. My number 2 will be Tom Ford instead. And I know I said Tom Ford. A lot of people hate on it. But this is a Tom Ford that actually lasts. Now, it is Fougere. So if you don't like Fougere, you might not like this. But I say give this one a try. It smells like old school money. Like you're successful, and when you wake up, you don't shave yourself. You have a personal barber that comes over, give you a nice hot lather, and then razor, thin, close shave. And he's probably like 80, but his hands are steady like a surgeon. Like, that's what kind of energy this gives. And it lasts 8 hours, easy, 8.5. Very fresh green Fougere, but there's just an air of elegance and like richness to it. I will say this. If you guys are young, you guys should try out Fougere. Just because gourmands and sweet freshies aside, it gives you, number one, perspective. So you can actually have a nice range between comparison. And number 2, it gives you contrast.